Hello everyone. Today is 22nd February and today we have booked a good loss of around 6,700. Let us look into the chart what really happened. So today the market gave a good breakdown. The only stop loss that was available from upside was here. The buyers and this seller stop loss would be available around here. And but the market gave a big breakdown, so like around from 40,600 level to 40,500, around 100 points gap down, right? So we cannot directly expect that the market will can come up to here at least. So okay, so let us just understand what was our trade today. So we made a entry at around 923 and 924. We trade in 100 quantities. So in 100 together in 100 quantities, we combinedly we just split the trade into two parts, right? So at around 923 or 924, we made an entry when it was around 923 is here, somewhere here we made an entry after this big red candle. What was my logic? If you see, so in the 15 minutes chart, if you see, so the market was making this small left shoulder, this head, and this right shoulder, right? And it has given a breakdown. So my thought was that it can go for a retracement, at least a retest, maybe something kind of that. So yeah, and also from the Nifty's chart, if we see the same, yeah, Nifty has also given around this breakdown, right? This is this is a 930 candle, but to this is 923 and 924, yeah, around here. Market has given a small breakdown, and there was market had already hit this with these big red candles. It has hit the stop loss of these buyers also. So I thought this could be a good entry, and I was waiting for we made a full entry meaning like 30 point stop loss, and yeah, with that, so the market went a little downside and we were fine. Like if it hit our stop loss directly, then we will be wrong. But the market made a retracement and it was going some good candles. I was expecting a target at least up to that neckline. The neckline would be somewhere around this 4540, or at least or second target would be at least 50% of the whole that I was expecting up to here, that we draw up to here. Okay, market went upside a little. It was showing like 1,000 or something profit, but immediately at sharp candles it hit our stop loss. So that was our first loss. That is fine. Second, so see, if we just look into this chart, right? First of all, here, if you see the market, actually when we made an entry around 923, 924, somewhere around here, the market was actually, you see, thereafter what the market did, it actually was accumulating sellers at this zone. Had this been George's at some higher level, then it would have been accumulating the buyers, but here it was accumulating the sellers. So here I was fine, but later on what happened, that here these candles, these kept me on doubt actually. Why I'm really on doubt? Because see, these candles are fine. These looks supporting my analysis, and but still, if had it been a smart had it been a good had it been a good correct analysis, this should have been not made into 3 or 4 candles, right? I was expecting a slight bigger candles here. And another thing that was happened after that was this consolidation. This again, then so these 4 candles was lowering my confidence, but thereafter this little consolidation was again boost my confidence that okay, here also the buy market is accumulating sellers, so it can give a breakdown upside. So but thereafter what the market did, as we know here, right, the market hit our stop loss. So what was my thought here while making an entry here? So thereafter I thought what actually was that here actually my analysis was wrong. All the time here the market was actually accumulating bias and it has hit its stop loss. So with these candles, with these red candles, the market would actually accumulate now sellers, and it has broken this level and it is giving green candle. Let us make another try. Well, I shouldn't have made another try because already my stop loss limit was over. That was my analysis, but my stop loss was very tight. So we made an entry around 954. We manually exit around 950. So we cannot re-enter again, right? Then again I made an entry around 953 and 958 something. This had some logic also. Where is this? 953. Yeah, 953 and 958. So basically what was my logic there was some little gap in the options chart. Well, in kite if you refresh it won't be showing again the same chart, it gets refreshed. And so basically I was just actually just little a bullish candle up to here or some other levels, and there was another gap at the top level also, but that was too much above, so I was not expecting that. So here I made an entry, but my stop loss was very tight. I had already made a good loss with actually the market. Yeah, so here that's why I made an entry around 950, manually exit again around, okay, 953. I made an entry, manually exited around 170. Then again I see when the market was approaching that, I made an entry around 958 again. Where is 958? Somewhere in this candle I made an entry, but here in around 10:03 I made an exit. Again my stop loss was very tight. I think it triggered my stop loss, right? I was trailing there. Yeah, 176, 177, it hit my stop loss. And thereafter, immediately in the next candle, the market actually came up to here. Well, I shouldn't have achieved very much here, but still I just wanted to reduce whatever thousand or whatever losses that I could do. And there was also a second target gap, not here, but to some higher level in the options chart that I was showing. I was a little confident on that, but still I would have waited here actually if market would come up to here, whether to continue or to exit here. But still, anyway, the market hit my stop loss, and also you can see the market actually went down. So here we don't know what the market is intention is. It is accumulating all the buyer sellers together, and we don't know what the market will do from here. Maybe the stocks are exiting from here, who knows. But still, for our trade analysis, this is not a good trade. Okay, thank you people.